This tutorial is designed to guide you through the essentials of the Schoology LTI 1.3 integration with LearningSite. By watching the video in full, you'll gain time-saving tips for accessing instructional content, assigning activities, and reviewing submissions more efficiently. Each segment includes demonstrations and instruction slides for future reference. If you're pressed for time, jump directly to the sections that are most relevant to you. To access instructional content, select the LTI 1.3 Wayside Publishing Learning Site link in the Schoology course navigation menu. Depending on the title, you will access your textbook, digital activities, and resources from the Flex Text and Explorer content links, or the Learning Materials link on the LearningSite dashboard. To assign instructional content, you will first need to create a Schoology assignment. Select the Add Materials drop-down menu, and then the LTI 1.3 Wayside Publishing Learning Site external tool. Next, select the content you want to link within your Schoology assignment. Select a folder to expand it. Hover over the eye icon to view the activity type. Select the eye icon to preview the activity. Select the Back button to return to the resource list. Check the box beside one activity or resource, then select the Import Selected button. An assignment link with a pre-populated title will be created on your materials page. Select Edit on the gear menu to adjust the assignment settings such as point value, due dates and times, and select a category. Then select Save Changes. Once a task is assigned, your students will receive a notification on their Schoology calendar and to-do list. Students will select the link to the Schoology assignment, complete the activity, and select Submit when finished. Depending on the textbook from which the activity has been assigned, students will first select the Attempt button before completing the activity. When a Schoology assignment has been created using the link to the LearningSite external tool, scores will appear on LearningSite and in the Schoology gradebook. Auto-graded task scores will appear immediately after submission. Manually graded task scores will appear after a score is entered using the LearningSite's built-in grading and feedback tools. To review task activity submissions, select the link to the Schoology assignment and then the Grades button. Here, you can view all student grades and additional details for the activity. Select the Grade button to access the LearningSite Grading and Feedback window. In the LearningSite Grading and Feedback window, you can review and manually grade student task submissions, provide written, audio, and video feedback to students, adjust grades, navigate between students, see submission details, and remove attempts. You can also leave time-stamped comments on recorded submissions and use the highlighting tool on written student work. There is also the option to add a performance rating to integrated performance assessment tasks and to long answer, audio and video recording, file upload, and comparative recording unit tasks. Your students will select the link to the Schoology assignment and then Grades to review their submissions and any feedback you have left. Students can also access their scores and feedback on the LearningSite Grades page. They will select the LTI 1.3 Wayside Publishing Learning Site link in the Schoology course navigation menu and then the Grades link on the Explorer class dashboard. Documents are fillable PDFs that can be completed digitally or be printed for in-person use. Documents can be assigned as a file upload task activity on LearningSite or added as a link or upload in a Schoology assignment. If you would like students to access and submit a document assignment directly within LearningSite, you will assign a file upload task activity. Students can either download the fillable document or open it within a browser window. If completing within a browser, students can save their changes by selecting Save with your changes in Chrome or Export as PDF in Safari. Next, students select the Add File button within the task activity to upload and submit the completed document. Documents completed as a file upload task activity can be accessed the same way as other task activities. To review submissions inside the grading and feedback window, you can preview or access the student's completed work as a download or in a browser window. If you would like to assign and review document submissions using Schoology tools, you will create a Schoology assignment that allows for file uploads or annotation. To include the document within a Schoology assignment, you can access the document on LearningSite, copy and paste the URL or download the document, and upload the file directly to the Schoology assignment. To use student annotations, select Annotations Assignment under Format Options and upload the document you downloaded from LearningSite. If you choose to assign a document in Schoology, you will review student submissions using the built-in Schoology tools. As you continue to navigate LearningSite, please remember that we are always here to assist you. Our help icon, the question mark you see in the bottom left corner of LearningSite, provides quick access to our guides, video tutorials, support center, and contact information. You can also select the Can Do Owl icon to take a tour of the features available on each page. Thank you for joining me for this Schoology LTI integration tutorial. If you have any questions or would like more detailed information, please reach out to us. Also, be sure to visit our website, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow Wayside Publishing on social media to stay connected with us.